Preparing to embark on a sun-kissed Florida vacation with your four-legged companion? Wait, before you get the leash, consider this. Does your furry friend enjoy basking in the sun as much as you do? And what about pet-friendly accommodations and activities? Traveling with pets in Florida is more than just packing an extra chew toy, and we're here to guide you through it. Tip 1. Finding pet-friendly accommodations. Not every place rolls out the red carpet for your fur babies, so plan ahead. From hotels that merely tolerate pets to those that treat them like VIPs, very important pets, options are aplenty. A quick online search or call can help you find the perfect spot. Tip 2. Keep the climate in mind. Florida's heat can be intense, especially for your pet. Ensure they have constant access to water and shade. Keep walks short and during cooler parts of the day. And remember, hot sand can burn those paw pads faster than you can say, "Sit, Fluffy." The third point to ponder, beware of wildlife. From alligators in freshwater areas to toxic bufo toads, Florida's diverse wildlife can pose threats to curious pets. Keep them leashed and monitored. After all, no one wants their vacation to turn into a scene from a nature documentary. Our fourth morsel of wisdom, beach regulations. Not all beaches in Florida allow pets, and those that do have specific rules. Some allow pets only during certain hours, others require them to be leashed. Do your research before hitting the surf with your furry companion. Tip 5. Eating out with pets. Florida's dining scene is as diverse as its marine life, and luckily, many restaurants and cafes welcome pets in their outdoor areas. But don't assume, always check in advance if Rover can join your alfresco dinner. Tip 6. Know the laws. Leash laws, service animal rights, and even breed-specific legislation can vary across Florida. Stay on the right side of the law by familiarizing yourself with local regulations. Our final tip, prepare for emergencies. Know the nearest vet in your area and keep a pet first aid kit handy. Also, consider getting a temporary ID tag with your vacation address and contact info. So there you have it, 7 tips to ensure your Florida vacation is a wagging success. From finding pet-friendly spots to preparing for emergencies, a little planning can go a long way in ensuring you and your pet have a pawsome time. After all, aren't the best memories made with a little fur on your clothes? Safe travels, two-legged and four-legged adventurers alike.